Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to do Sunshine on My Shoulders by John Denver. It's a classic song. So let's go ahead and start that. You're going to hear a bass pedal as well. I like to add that in when I can. And if you want to know what I'm using, just click on the link in the description and you can check one out for yourself. Okay, Sunshine on My Shoulders. There's two sections. There's the chorus section and the verse. Each one is 16 bars. For the chorus, you're going to need to know G, C, A minor 7, and D7. For those of you who are brand new, A minor 7 is just an open C chord or cowboy C. And just take off your ring finger. A minor 7. Okay. So let's go ahead and do the 16 bars of the chorus. I'm picking it and I'm playing it more up tempo. We can play it traditional finger picking. If you want, I'm going to do it this in this version, in this style. All right, here we go. 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, 7, 2, A minor, and 8, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4. That goes to 16 bars, okay? Just G and C. Now you can play C this way or play it this way with that added, with that fifth on the B string there, but it doesn't matter. Or like this, whatever's comfortable for you. Now let's go to the verse. The verse is, you need to know G, if A minor 7, B minor, C. Again, A minor 7, B minor, C. And that's an ascending bass line. So you're getting, so it's, okay, so let's go ahead and do the verse. If I had a day that I could give you, here we go, ready? 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 2. 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4. That's the turnaround. Now we go to the next 8. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, 7, 2. Okay. So those are the two main sections. Again, the chorus of G and C, A minor, D7, and then the verse. And now you know Sunshine on My Shoulders. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next video.